This next problem is a visual problem where we're going to analyze our solution from looking at the graph. And the first question asks, where is this less than 0? Where is it below the x-axis? Now, because my horizontal asymptote is so dark there, I'm going to highlight in red where this x-axis is. And we can see that we're below this x-axis to the left of -2. So negative infinity up to -2, and we're below it to the right of -2, or to the right of +2 also. This is the x value 2. So union 2 to infinity. Where are we less than or equal to 0? Now we can include the endpoint right there at -2. So we will have negative infinity to -2, include the -2, union, now I can't include the 2 because that's on a vertical asymptote, so 2 comma infinity. Where is the function above 0, above the x-axis? Well, the answer is between -2 and 0. -2 comma 0. And where is it greater than or equal to 0? Now we can include this endpoint right there, but not at the vertical asymptote. This should have been a 2, my apologies. And we're going to have -2 with a bracket, comma 2 with a parentheses. Now we have a rational inequality, and the whole idea is that when we divide to get a negative, we have to have opposite signs in the numerator and the denominator. We are going to have a critical value, alright, crit value at 0 in the numerator, because that's where the numerator is equal to 0, but we will have none of them in the denominator because the denominator is always positive. So basically, we just have to analyze to the left side and the right side of 0. And the two packets, so to speak, are negative x squared and x to the 4th plus 16. Well, negative x squared is going to be negative on both of these sides, and x to the 4th plus 16 is always going to be positive. So the question is, when we multiply these together, we're going to get a negative on the left and a negative. Not multiply, we're dividing this time because this is a quotient. We're going to get a negative to the left and a negative to the right of 0, but at 0 is where it's going to be equal to. So where is this less than or equal to 0? The answer is everywhere, and so our solution to this first part is all real numbers, from negative infinity to positive infinity. Where is it less than 0? Well, we cannot include the 0 itself now, so we have to take 0 out of that previous set, and so our solution here will be from negative infinity up to 0, united with the values to the right of 0. Where is it greater than or equal to 0? Well, we know nowhere is it greater. It's equal to 0 at 0, so the solution set here will be just the number 0. And where is it positive? The answer is nowhere, so we will have the empty set as our solution.